are going to get, you are going to get just that much for the whole nails. If you need to doing it for the 3D crystal pointed back or cluster, however you call, you need a little bit more. And also, like a lot of you receiving a free gift lately from Glitz is sticker densities for your crystal placement for 3Ds. Those ones is stay and hold the 3Ds like a concrete. So I am going to apply the coat. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cool. Only I need this pumpkin and good to go. But we're not doing, should we do pumpkin? We can do pumpkin. And then no wipe top coat, the second step from Crystal Trifecta. Okay. You know what? Talking about that, we can do pumpkin. Pumpkin and dragon scale. As I said earlier, if your clients just want is the designs, the like have a marble looks designs, you can definitely top coat it after you finish with the blossom gel. Top coat here for 60 seconds, you're good to go. I'm gonna place it. So then now what you're doing is dragon scale. I love it. You're gonna see the one side that will be a little bit of a halo, and then one side was kind of have its textures. So you're gonna do the one that had a texture on the top, and the halos is gonna be it on the nails. Dragon scale is one of really cool, and it will last good up to like so many weeks until you're ready to take them off. Okay, it's really simple. I want to make it really, really simple for everyone, so you can really enjoying it without feeling like, oh my gosh, overwhelming with social media. Do not. Sorry. We give our pumpkins a little bit sparkles there. The best thing to do is with the crystal placement, you are getting the centerpiece. Doesn't matter if you're starting in the middle of the nails or in the cuticle area, start with the centerpiece first. And this really cool designs, I am starting in the right in the middle of the nails, where I have a lot of more room that I did it in purpose of the two designs. I mean on the two angles, so then that's why I have is extra space for me to put the pumpkin without is ruining that is cool marble look designs. And then I place the dragon scales really, really close tight to the pumpkin. I have a clip somewhere. Obsidian's bead, here you go. You can do gold beads, silver beads, obsidians, however you would like, and however your clients. With this really cool fun nails, you can pricings like at least $15 per nails. I'm telling you why, because you are doing your is blossom gels and your crystal placement, and then in this crystal placement you are doing 3 products in here. You have your crystal, you have your charms, and your dragon scales. So it's really is fun, and it's really fair for you to pricing it for your clients. If the clients, oh, I say I just really enjoying it, I just want the background only, is it? Sure, no problem. You know, your backgrounds only with the designs gonna be like is $8 per nail. Sponsored because you're having yours 2-3 colors of marblings, and then plus that you are adding like a glitters effects on for the clients. And also it's really depend on salon locations and the pricing, depend on the products, and then also the techniques. Salon location. How's that? I'm gonna just add one frame. I have a longer frame, so if you don't have a shorter frame, guess what happened? You are going to just using a crystal clipper right here and just clip it, cut it in half. Oh, it flew off, but I just want to show you that.
Where is that one?
I think I need another one. This one is full off the. It's full off in the floor. I don't know where is that at. But just to show you that how easy it is. Make sure you are cutting it, but close it in so then it won't get into your eyes, or if you have a glasses like me, then you'll be fine. Yeah, he always help me get another pieces. This looks like a really angry pumpkin though. Oh, he's maybe happy. He's like, ha 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 ha, I gotcha.
Yeah, it's like an evil pumpkin right in his lair with all his treasure around him.
He said, ho 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 ho. Trick or treat. Right. Cool. Okay. Here, you happy? You can. The best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to cure until you are going. Not going to dry and set until you are going to cure. So then, oh, I got a little bit of the bonus right here. I don't know what it is. A little glitter. You have all the time in the world to adjusting it. If you need to adjusting your pumpkins crooked, you need to straighten it up, or your is dragon scale. However you want to adjusting it before you cure is going to be great, because that's the best benefit about this. And it's not going to set, it's not going to dry, it's not going to is cloudy.